Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to use DeepSeek AI on mobile. Alright, so let's begin with the video. I'm going to show you how you can use DeepSeek AI Assistant for completely free. So first of all, what you need to do is you just simply need to come out to Play Store and just click on this search icon. And from here you can see that there is a search option at the top. Just type DeepSeek and then press enter, and you can see that the very first one that has around 10 million download already. So this is the authentic one that you need to download. So click on this install button and it will start downloading. Once it's downloaded, I will just simply click on this open button here, and you need to click on agree, because if you click on disagree, you would not be able to move forward. So just simply click on agree. Over here, you need to provide your email address or password. If you have already created an account on your laptop, then you simply need to sign in with your account. But if you have not created it, you need to click on the sign up button and fill out the form over here. And once you fill out this form, simply click on sign up. And as you can see that it is now signed in, and here you can see we have access to Deep Thinking R1. We have access to search, and we can even upload the files from here. We can upload the documents from here. Everything is clear right over here. You can just simply type here and use DeepSeek for completely free. So that's basically how you can use DeepSeek AI on mobile. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.